fast and take temperatures. Wow.
That's all I got.
Yeah.
And that's all I get.
Journey.
Only my son.
This one's yours and this one's yours. This one's from Aunt Sarah and Uncle Patrick. You want to open this one?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to video it? Journey. Come open a present. We've lost the baby. What's that? What is it? What kind of book is that?
That's high.
Cars?
Yeah.
Do you like cars?
Yeah.
Here's Sissy. Here's one. Journey. From Aunt Sarah and Uncle Patrick and Sam and Eli. Open it.
What's this?
I don't know. Hang on one second. Let Sissy open.
What's that on me?
Very good.
This has to blow. I gotta go to this. What's this
Turn it
again?
over, Sissy. Look, do this side. Let Sissy do it. Pull hard. I didn't put that much tape on it. Pull hard.
I gotta go to this.
Okay.
Oh, what did I get?
I don't know.
Let's try. I got it.
What is it?
That's like hard.
A guitar?
Yeah, that's what I got. See, we have that.
Who has that?
Ew.
Samuel?
Yeah, we got. But how do I put the sign?
Just like that. Turn it. Turn it the other way. Sissy, what'd you see? Hair bones and a brush? Alright! Good job! Alright, you want to open another one? Levi, this one's yours.
What?
This one's from Riley.
What is it?
I don't know what.